When choosing a bank for your small business needs, there are many factors to consider. One important factor is the bank's features and services. Two popular options for small business banking are Mercury Bank and Relay Bank. In this video, we will compare the features and services of these two banks to help you determine the best fit for your business. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Mercury Bank is a financial technology company that offers banking services to businesses. The bank is tailored to startups and tech-focused businesses, and its services are designed to be simple, powerful, and cost-effective. Mercury Bank offers various banking services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and debit cards. Mercury Bank's checking accounts are designed to be flexible and customizable, and they come with no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements. The bank's savings accounts offer competitive interest rates and are FDIC insured up to $250,000. Mercury Bank's treasury service is designed to help businesses manage their cash flow and optimize their finances. The service includes features like automated cash sweeps, which help businesses maximize their interest earnings, and cash concentration, which allows businesses to consolidate their funds into a single account. Mercury Bank targets startups and tech-focused businesses needing a simple, powerful, cost-effective banking solution. The bank's services are designed to be flexible, customizable, and tailored to the needs of these types of businesses. Mercury Bank is also a good option for businesses that need access to financial technology tools and integrations, as the bank offers a range of API integrations and other tools to help businesses optimize their finances. Mercury Bank is a great option for startups and tech-focused businesses needing a simple, powerful, cost-effective banking solution. The bank's services are designed to be flexible and customizable, offering a range of features and tools to help businesses manage their finances more effectively. Relay Bank may be worth considering if you're looking for a business bank that offers a range of features and services. Relay Bank offers business checking accounts that come with a range of features and benefits. With Relay, you can easily manage your business finances and keep track of your expenses. Relay offers multiple checking accounts, which can be useful if you must set aside money for specific expenses such as taxes or marketing. Relay Bank's business savings account is designed to help you save money and earn interest on your deposits. With this account, you can earn a competitive interest rate on your savings, which can help your money grow over time. You can easily transfer funds between your checking and savings accounts, making it easy to manage your finances. Relay Pro is a paid service that offers additional features and benefits. With Relay Pro, you can access advanced reporting and analytics tools, which can help you better understand your business finances. You can also get dedicated support from Relay's customer service team, which can be useful if you have any questions or issues. Relay Bank offers a range of useful features and services for small business owners. Whether you need a checking account, savings account, or advanced reporting tools, Relay has something to offer. Relay Bank may be worth considering if you're looking for a business bank that offers competitive rates and flexible account options. Both Mercury and Relay have unique fee structures. Mercury Bank has no monthly fees or overdraft fees, and Relay Bank does not charge account fees, overdraft fees, or minimum balance requirements. Both Mercury and Relay Banks offer interest rates on their accounts. However, the APY varies depending on the type of account. Mercury's APY ranges from 0.2% to 0.45%, while Relay's APY ranges from 0.25% to 1.25%. It is important to note that these rates are subject to change anytime. Mercury Bank offers 15 checking accounts, while Relay Bank offers 20. Mercury also provides up to 5 savings accounts, while Relay does not offer any savings accounts. Both banks offer online banking, mobile banking, and debit cards. Mercury does not require a minimum balance to earn interest, but Relay requires a minimum balance of $10,000 to earn interest. Both banks have unique features and benefits. It is recommended that you carefully evaluate each bank's features before deciding. When choosing a business bank account, one of the most important factors to consider is how well it integrates with your accounting software. In this section, we will compare Mercury and Relay in terms of integration with accounting software. QuickBooks is one of the most popular accounting software programs for small businesses. Mercury and Relay integrate with QuickBooks, allowing you to sync your bank transactions with your accounting software easily. This can save you much time and make it easier to keep your books up to date. Xero is another popular accounting software program used by many small businesses. Mercury and Relay integrate with Xero, allowing you to sync your bank transactions with your accounting software easily. This can save you much time and make it easier to keep your books up to date. Small businesses use many other bookkeeping services in addition to QuickBooks and Xero. Some of these services include FreshBooks, Wave, and Zoho Books. Mercury and Relay integrate these services, making it easy to sync bank transactions with bookkeeping software. Both Mercury and Relay offer customer support during business hours. Mercury's customer support is available from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. PT, Monday through Friday. Relay's customer support is available from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. EST, Monday through Friday. Security and compliance are two of the most important factors to consider when choosing a bank. In this section, we will compare Mercury and Relay Bank's security and compliance measures. One of the most important aspects of security when it comes to banking is FDIC insurance. Mercury and Relay banks are FDIC insured, meaning that your deposits are protected up to $250,000 per depositor per account type in the event of a bank failure. This provides peace of mind and ensures that your money is safe. Another important aspect of security is data protection. Mercury and Relay both take data protection seriously and have implemented various measures to ensure the safety of your transaction data. When you sign up for an account with either bank, you must provide a government-issued photo ID, such as a passport and an operating agreement, to open a business account. Both banks use encryption to protect your data during transmission and have strict access controls in place to prevent unauthorized access to your account. They also have fraud detection systems to monitor your account for suspicious activity. The decision between Mercury and Relay will depend on whether your business is looking for access to a startup community or a money management platform that helps you more deeply understand your cash flow so you can make more informed decisions for your business. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.